New tonight, a free resource for people left without coverage following major changes to Florida's Medicaid program. About 900,000 people who previously qualified do not anymore. Since the beginning of this process, in-depth reporter Rochelle Aline has been looking at options for people left without any coverage. Now she's following through with a look at where families can turn 1 year later.
I knew that I wanted to help people. So I actually started off my career trying to become a firefighter paramedic.
Life may have taken Jorge Masson on a different path.
I went back to school for public health.
But he's still helping out in crisis as a healthcare navigator for the Family Healthcare Foundation. And over the last year, that work has been kicked into overdrive as the group helped many in the greater Tampa Bay area navigate changes to who qualifies for the state's Medicaid program.
A lot of the process has been mostly that, families getting correspondence and us explaining to them what it means and then walking through the process of either reapplying or appealing a denial or looking at a different program entirely.
When this process began in April of 2023, the State Agency for Healthcare Administration, or AHCA, predicted that about 900,000 people who previously qualified for Medicaid wouldn't anymore.
So if someone's losing their Medicaid coverage.
And since August of 2023, the Family Healthcare Foundation says they've helped at least 12,000 people through their Navigators program.
So we're seeing a lot of parents of children who qualified for Medicaid during the continuous coverage period who are now no longer eligible anymore because there is going to be a lower income criteria for those parents in the state of Florida.
And though leaders with the foundation say most of those who have been impacted have been helped, they say there is still help for those who may need a little more time.
We know that some people may not still know that they don't have health care coverage just because they haven't gone to use it.
If you and your family need help finding healthcare services, the Family Healthcare Foundation can help you do that, and their services are free. To learn more about that, head to our website, abcactionnews.com. In Hillsborough County, Rochelle Aline, ABC Action News.
Meanwhile, we've been covering alternatives for families left without coverage to provide resources for you. If there are any issues you want us to look into, scan that QR code and fill out the form. This will connect you to one of our Tampa Bay Tonight staff members so we can find the answers you're looking for.